struggling to make the most of your workplace? At Raja, we've been helping businesses just like yours for over 70 years with tailored solutions that maximise efficiency, safety and productivity. With Raja Projects, we help businesses just like yours to streamline your processes, optimise resources and eliminate the hidden costs of inefficiency. It all starts with a free, no obligation site survey. We'll visit your location, understand your needs and operation and offer expert advice to create a solution that works for you. Our experienced team will design a bespoke plan, complete with the costs and timelines, so there's no surprises. Once you're happy, we'll handle everything from scheduling to installation. Our fully trained professionals ensure your project is complete on time and to the highest standards so you can focus on running your business. From racking and shelving to mezzanine floors, partitions and pick and pack lines, Raja's here to help you unlock your workplace potential. Contact us to get started. Your space, your goals, our expertise.